Lord, wala na akong dad. Until the Lord said, who told you? I'm a greater dad. Who told you na nawalan ka ng someone na sasandalan? Who told you that nawalan ka ng someone na ipapasahan ng responsibility? If your dad was able to do it, I'm a far greater dad. That's where I began calling God Dad. In my personal prayer, Dad. He wants to be called Dad. And my dad shall supply all my needs. Sabihin ng iba, Pastor Tim, I already have no dad. Mas maganda. Because right now, your daddy is about to show you something amazing. Remember and imagine all of the best dads. If they, the best dads, they being evil, they can give good gifts. Ito sabi ni Jesus, how much more your heavenly dad. Nothing makes you feel the love of God than calling Him Dad. Now, when you begin to say, Dad, 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 why are you terrified? Why are you worried? Why as though you live this life, parang you feel you have the responsibility. There's a spirit in you that cries out, Dad, Daddy, Daddy, Dad. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Can we give the best clap offering to our God today? Yeah.